Mm-mm.
Wait.
Damn it, it's right there. Get it. Oh no! Back up. Back up. What the hell?
Who did this? Was it you, honey?
Maybe that's because you're late every day, and you also don't actually.
Tonk, do you want to play? You, Jinky! You so cute, Shaggy, with those pearly whites. Pearly whites, Shaggy. Walter. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Sit your bad ass down.
Are you ready? No medicine here, just treats.
Baby, tama na. Baby. 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 Bye.
You love me?
I love you.
Oh, thank
What are you going? You gonna go for a are we gonna go for a walk? Oh, are we gonna go play?
Hey, that was a whole chip.
No, it's a little.
We said crumbs only.
That was a corner.
Seriously?
Yeah, this is the best day ever. You
All
told
right.
me not to feed them anymore, but what are you doing?
Well, you gotta feed them. I just give them scraps. Like, see, I crumple them up. And that's how they like it. No more. You guys are cut off.
Bro, I see you looking, bro. What?
Dental. Oh my god.
Wanted to defend you, fight back.
Can I kiss you? Kissy?
Stop farting in your sleep. That's twice. I've heard a toot come out of there. Well, you've been snoozing. Air that thing out, alright? Damn. Got Livia in the bathroom because it smells better than laying next to you. You understand that, right? Hey! Wake up, you tutor!
Billy, please. Oh my God. Billy, please. Hurry, thing, just hurry.
Pa, ha, pa, pa. Pa, da, ga, da. Ha, pa, pa, da. Ha, da, pa. Ha, da, pa, da.
What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god. Fuck. How?
Oh, that's good job, Tucker. Oh, good job. Wake him up.
Like the vacuum cleaner. Hi, baby. Are you afraid of the vacuum cleaner?
Hudson. What's going on?